What's up guys? Today we're traveling straight to Dongbei, one of the coldest regions of China, northeast China, to experience one recipe that is going to change the way you enjoy a simple bowl of rice. Do you trust me? Because today we're making dìsānxiān. Incredible recipe, very easy one that is going to come in a very few steps. But lots of bites, so stay with me and let's make this. Alright, so let's start by understanding what dìsānxiān really means. In Chinese, di means earth, and san means, of course, three, and xian means fresh stuff, maybe in this case, treasures. So it's actually saying that we've got three treasures coming from the earth, and that's really referring to the fact that we're going to use three simple ingredients to make this recipe. Eggplants, green peppers, and of course, potatoes. You can actually do a mix and match by swapping some of the ingredients in the recipe with your favorite ones. Get some pumpkin, spice it up with spice or chilies, or maybe even use celery or whatever veggies you would like to put in.
So, catch a potato, a green pepper, and a nice eggplant. Here we go, three main ingredients for this easy yet super tasty recipe. Of course, feel free to adopt this recipe with other treasures from the earth, veggies you're in love with, and possibly which resemble the same sort of texture as compared to these three standard ingredients. Pumpkin, sweet potatoes, spicier peppers, zucchini, you name it. So, for the eggplants, we've chosen this variety, longer eggplants, which usually are more likely to keep firm at the outside, while absorbing lots of flavors in the inside. Look how long these eggplants are. And for the peppers, we've used some shishito that are often used for grilling and barbecue, and also some green bell peppers. Finally, some all-purpose golden potatoes. Time to bring in some extra help. Garlic. Yes, it is a must as you want it to release its umami aroma. Ginger, always trying to figure out its shape. Never the same. Leeks, but just the white part. Water inside.
Wow, it's water.
Vegetable oil.
加油!
Then some extra sesame oil.
再加油!
Bring the couple in. Light and dark soy sauce. Shaoxing wine, not for drinking, only for cooking. And the unique, the magic oyster sauce. Umami at the next level. Lick the spoon and you know what I'm talking about. Rice vinegar and some sesame seeds. Bring the guys in, sugar, starch and salt. And let's just try to figure out if you're really watching this. Which one is the salt? Alright guys, so let's get our hands dirty, not too much because it's going to be a very simple recipe. But do not forget to switch on the heat and prepare a nice bowl of rice. You don't want to miss that. Peel some potatoes and rinse into water to eliminate some starch. Go ahead with some freeze-style cutting for the eggplants, pour into a container and add some rice vinegar in. You want them to stay dry before and after the cooking. Green peppers, and let's go with the cutting. Eliminating all seeds. See, we use two varieties here. Time to prepare some minced ginger, leeks into slices, and minced garlic as well. Starch on the eggplants before getting ready with some deep frying. Mix well but leave some starch on the outside to let your eggplant stay crispy, not absorbing too much oil. Alright, let's do this. Oil into the wok and here we are. Eggplants in. And fry until cooked at high heat. Potatoes in. Low heat first, then high heat to get them crispy and cooked. And just a quick deep frying for the green peppers. Get an empty bowl and mix some water with some starch. Set aside for now. Aromatics ready, minced garlic in a preheated and oiled wok. With leeks, minced ginger, a touch of Shaoxing wine, then oyster sauce. Soy sauce, water, a touch of salt, sugar. Time to go ahead with the starchy water to thicken the sauce. And finally add in our ingredients. Eggplants, potatoes and peppers. Mix well. Add some sesame oil at the very end and sprinkle with some sesame seeds before enjoying this with a nice bowl of rice. A trip, one-way trip to North China with this beautiful dish.
Woo! That looks good.
And here is the deal, guys. So if you've liked the recipe, if you've liked the video, do not forget to share it with your friends. Do remember to put us a like, to subscribe to our channel. Get your fingers on that button. And see you at the next video. My name is Luca, and I'm gonna bring you to enjoy the authentic Chinese food. Alright?